Okay, good day everyone. Before you start watching this video lecture, I want you to comment down first your name and strand and section sa ating comment section para ma-monitor ko kung sino yung mga kung sino na yung nakanood, no? And because after you watch the video lecture for lessons 1 and 2, I mean 2 and 3, you are expected to answer our quiz number 2 through Google Form. Isesend ko sa inyong mga GC yung ating link for your quiz number 2. Okay? So without further ado, let's start with the studying anthropology, political science, and sociology. So ano ba tong tatlong to, no? So these three, ilan lamang po ito sa ah, mga disciplines under social science. Okay? So, let us proceed. Okay, so let us first discuss the society because these three disciplines happened in the society. Okay? So kapag sinabi nating society, ano ba 'yon, no? So, ang society, actually this is a group of people, again, group of people who share the same laws, who share same culture, no? Who share same rights and even the resources sa ating kapaligiran, no? Sa nung last ating mga talakayan, we discuss yung, no, para masabing ikaw ay belong sa grupo, dapat you share common culture with the people. Okay? Dapat ah, kung ano yung culture na ginagawa ng tao ay dapat ginagawa mo din. So ayun yung common culture, tama ba? And ah, society, no, para masabi natin society, dapat merong territory. Para saan ba ang territory, no? Territory provide physical space for social interaction. So napakahalaga ng territory kasi kung walang territory, saan mag-i-interact, saan makikipag-socialize yung mga tao. Okay, so that's society. Again, society, it is a group of people na kung saan itong mga tao na to, they share same laws, they have the rights, no? They share even resources. Okay? Now, society, it undergoes it undergoes different processes. Okay? The first one is the social. Ano ba tong social, no? So yung social, these are the actions, these are the interactions within the society. Okay? Ano-ano ba yung mga interaction na nagaganap sa ating society? And us, as a human, we are the social we are the social actor. Okay? Tayo yung gumaganap, no? Tayo yung nakikipag-interact sa society. Okay? And social, this is the focus, no, of discipline and sociology, no? So ito po ay ito yung focus ng sociology. Now, next is the society, it also undergo the process of cultural. Okay? So yung cultural, nakafocus naman siya sa mga practices, sa mga traditions, ano yung norms ng ating society, ano ba yung rules nila, no? Na kung saan pinapractice ng isang society, no? And cultural, this is the focus of the discipline anthropology. Okay? And last, no, society, it undergo the process of politics. Now, sa politics, ito po yung power distribution. Okay? Sa ating, in the case of Philippines, no, we are democratic and we have a form of government na democratic, and sa ating government, meron tayong tatlong branch, no, yung judiciary, legislative, and executive. At meron silang power distribution. May kanya-kanya silang power. Okay? And politics, ito naman yung focus ng discipline na political science. Okay? So, diyan lamang iikot 'no, sa sociology, anthropology, and political science. Diyan lang iikot yung ating discussion for this video lecture. Okay? So first, let us discuss the discipline sociology. Okay? Ano ba ang sociology? Sabi dito, sociology is concerned about all kinds of social interaction. Okay? So ang sociology, actually galing siya sa Latin word na socius, na ibig sabihin ay social, being with others, and galing siya sa Greek word na logos, which means science or study. So pag pinagsama natin siya, no, sociology is the study or the science of society. Okay? So sabi dito, no, all kinds of social interaction. So this discipline is actually broad kasi nakafocus siya, no, sa social acts, no. Ano ba yung individual behavior during the interaction, no? Ito din ay nakafocus sa social relationship, okay. Ano ba yung mga connections, ano ba yung mga bonds formed during the interaction, during the socialization, no? Ito din ay nakafocus sa social organization, no? Ano-ano ba yung mga nabuong organization, ano-ano yung mga nabuong groups na kung saan itong mga grupo na ito, itong organization na ito, they have common goals, no? Like non-government organization or yung NGO, they have their common goal. Kaya sila nabuo, no? Yung mga advocacy nila. Next is social structures, no? Ito, ano ba yung mga organized pattern of social relationship and social institution that compose the society. Okay? And lastly is the social process. Okay? So that's sociology. Again, ito po ay broad kasi ah, napakalawak ng kanyang nasasakupan kasi nandito yung social acts, social relationships, social organization, social structures, and social process. So that's sociology. Next is anthropology. So anthropology, kung ang sociology ay nanggaling sa Greek and Latin word, no? Ang anthropology naman came from two Greek words na anthropos, which means man or human being, and logos, which means uh, science, okay, or study, no? So pag pinagsama natin siya, anthropology is the scientific study of humanity. Humanity, no? Let us focus in the word humanity. Kasi ang focus ng anthropology ay man, no? Man or human, no? Human is the central concern of anthropology. It focuses on biological, social, and cultural development of humankind, no? So it studies the whole condition of humankind, no? Their past, the present condition ng humanity when it comes to biological aspect ng isang tao, sa social aspect, sa cultural development na nangyari sa humanity or sa humankind. Now, anthropology seeks to answer similarities and differences across the human race, no? There are many questions which anthropology seeks to address, no? Saan ba nag-originate yung tao? Paano nagbago yung tao? Ano yung ano yung development na nangyari sa tao? Paano uh, how people differ from one another. So ayun yung mga questions na gustong sagutin ng anthropology. Okay? Now, we have different branches of anthropology. We have 5 branches of anthropology. The first one is this. Okay, ano kaya to? Ano ang first branch of anthropology? If you know the answer, kindly comment sa ating comment section. Okay? So, let's reveal what is the first branch of anthropology. The first one is physical or biological anthropology. So, may mga bungo, no? At nandito yung from ano kaya itong fossils of human evolution. Bakit may mga bungo dito sa physical or biological? Now, pag sinabi nating physical or biological anthropology, sabi dito, humans as biological organisms, human evolution. So from the word itself, bio, no, life. Okay? Kasi this branch of anthropology study the human beings through genetics, no? Yung mga inherited traits natin, yung mga namana natin from sa ating mga magulang hanggang sa kanununuan natin, no? Evolution and adaptation, no? So sa adaptation, meron tayong dalawang famous scientist dito, no? Yung sa kay Charles Darwin at yung kay Lamarck. Okay? So, if you are familiar with that, and I know because most of you ay nasa STEM. So dapat ah, medyo familiar kayo kung sino si Charles Darwin, which is common siya sa ah, human evolution. Okay? So, bakit tinawag ba tong physical anthropology? Because no, this branch of anthropology ay ginagamit niya yung mga ah, the data that is used are mainly physical, no? Yung mga human fossils, yung mga human bones, yung mga na-collect nilang mga human fossil, human bones, yung mga human teeth, no? They gathered information to explain kung paano ba nag-develop yung tao. Okay, so mostly concerned about how biological changes occurs and how all these are related to the natural and social environment. Okay? How fossils and observe living primate and focus on how we have become what we are today. So, itong mga ah, yung mga human fossils and human bones na ito, yung mga nahuhukay nilang mga yon ay ginagather nila yon to use to explain what happened, no, ano yung development na nangyari sa humankind. Okay? Yung human evolution. Okay? So that's the first discipline, I mean, branch of anthropology. Next is, ano kaya to, no? Anong branch of anthropology? No? If you know the answer, kindly comment sa ating uh, comment section. Okay? So the second one is archaeology. So dito, parang may mga naghuhukay, no? May mga nahukay sila. So bakit kaya meron? Ano kayang meron diyan? Now, ang archaeology, pag sinabi nating archaeology, it is the collection and preservation of artifacts of past and present culture. Okay? So, collection, no? Because archaeology examines the past culture through tangible remains. Ano-ano ba 'tong mga tangible remains na ito, no? So, yung mga archaeologists, they excavate site, no? Sila ay naghuhukay at kapag may at yung mga hinuhukay nila, ayun yung mga tangible remains na ang tawag ay remnants. So, ano-ano yung mga examples ng remnants na 'to? Ito yung mga ah, pottery, yung mga hunting tools, and other relics na mga naiwan ng mga sinaunang tao. So hinuhukay nito ng mga archaeologists para ah, para ma-explain, para malaman kung ano ba yung ah, past culture ng mga sinaunang tao. Okay? At paano naman nalalaman yung edad ng mga remnants na ito? It's through carbon dating. Okay, so with the use of carbon dating, nalalaman nila yung age ng mga artifacts, ng mga remnants na nahukay ng mga archaeologists. Okay, they provide record of the past civilizations and featuring the diversity of lives of our ancestor sa pamamagitan nga ng mga na-excavate nilang remnants. Okay? So itong pottery, example nila ay yung pottery. No, itong pottery napakahalaga nito kasi they use this for uh, pag-iimbak ng mga pagkain, yung mga hunting tools. So itong hunting tools na to, we have type of society na hunting and gathering. So they use the hunting tools para makahanap ng mga hayop na pwede nilang i-consume, pwede nilang kainin. Okay? And so on. Now, next is this one. Ano kayang branch or I mean, yeah, no, branch of anthropology. Ito. Okay? So let's reveal the third branch is linguistic anthropology. So may mga nakikita kayong mga nakasulat no diyan sa mga bato. Okay, ano kaya 'yan? Now, linguistic, this is the scientific study of written and unwritten human language, no? So this is the study of different processes of human communications no through written and unwritten human language. So evolvement na nangyari sa language no during the Asian civilization may kanya-kanya silang writing system no sa Sumerian uh they have uniform no? Sa Egyptians, they have hieroglyphics or hieroglyphics, no? So, linguistic, no? Language, nakafocus sila sa the scientific study of human language. It can be written or unwritten. Okay? Now, next is this one. So, ano kaya yan, no? So, let's reveal. The fourth branch of anthropology is ethnology. Okay, so sa ethnology, the concern is the present culture. No, so kung sa mga kanina yung mga ibang branches concern nila is yung past culture and even the present culture. Pero itong ethnology, the concern is with the present culture. Okay, so ang tawag sa mga ang mga tawag sa gumagawa nito 'no, ay mga, ethnologists. Now, yung mga ethnologists, they immerse themselves in a culture for a period of 6 to 18 months in order to observe their subjects and become participant as well. And usually 'no, ito ay yung mga researchers. Kung may gusto silang pag-aralan na isang society o na isang grupo, for example, ethnic group, ang gagawin nila pupunta sila sa ethnic group na yon, they will immerse themselves doon sa grupo na yon for 6 to 18 months, no? Sila ay titira sa grupo na yon, kung paano sila mamuhay, no? Ayun din yung way of life nila. Kung paano mamuhay yung grupo na yon, ganun din yung magiging way of life nila para talagang maobserbahan nila, mapag-aralan nila yung culture ng grupong yon. Okay? So, for example, no, si Cara David, although si Cara David hindi siya tumitira for 6 to 18 months, pero may mga documentary siya na kung saan ay talagang ah, gi- ginagawa niya yung mga ginagawa ng kanyang fini-feature sa documentary. For example, may napanood ako na talagang natulog siya sa kalsada. So, she immersed herself doon sa kung paano mamuhay yung kanyang finiture sa documentary. Kasi natulog siya mismo. Ginawa niya mismo yung way of life ng kanyang ah, finiture sa documentary. Okay? So that's ethnology. Again, yung mga ethnologists, they immerse themselves for a period of 6 to 18 months para mas lalo nilang maintindihan yung kultura. ng kanilang pinag-aaralan. Okay? So that's ethnology. And the last one is this. Okay, so let's reveal its cultural anthropology. So the last branch of anthropology na i-discuss natin ay cultural anthropology. So cultural anthropology focuses on the origins and history of human societies, culture and culture such as the evolution of culture of different societies, no? So it examine the diversity of human culture. Okay? Human culture of present and even the past. Ano ba yung changes that happen in a culture, no? It includes na the evolution of language, the traditions, the religions, no? So that's cultural anthropology. Okay? So we already discussed the two disciplines in social studies, social science. The first one is sociology, next is the anthropology, and under anthropology we have five branches, no? And next one is political science. Okay, so political science, the word politics is derived from the Greek word polis, which means city, and the word science came from the Latin word Sire, which means to know. Okay, so ano ba tong polis, no? Polis. So, ang polis, sabi dito, ay komunidad ng tao na may iisang mithiin at pagkakakilanlan. Actually, ito ay nanggaling sa kabihas ng Gresya. No, so, sa kabihas ng Gresya, may mga iba't iba silang polis. No? So, yung pinaka well-known polis nila ay yung Athens and yung Sparta. So sa Athens and Sparta, meron silang pagkakakilanlan. So yung Athens, kilala sila sa philosophy, sa arts, no, sa democracy, while yung Sparta naman, kilala sila sa pakikipagdigmaan, sa military. So bawat polis ay merong pagkakakilanlan at meron silang iisang mithiin. Okay, so now let us focus sa political science. Okay, so the term political science was coined by Jean Bodin, no, who based it on the organization of institution related to law. Now, ang political science daw ay focuses on the how and why of collective decision making. So it focus on the how, no? So how, it refers to the methods. Ano ba yung procedures? Ano ba yung processes through which decisions are made in a society? No? For example, how laws are passed. Paano ba naging isang batas ang isang batas? Ano ba ang pinagdaanan niya? Ano ba ang proseso? Ano ba ang methods, procedures bago maging isang batas, no? So, dito sa Pilipinas, anong branch of government ang responsible for making the law, no? Ito ay yung legislative branch of government. Now, bago masabi nating ah, batas, no, magiging bill muna siya. Okay? So, yung bills, these are laws in the making. Okay? Now, other example ng ah, ay how leaders are elected. Siyempre nagkakaroon tayo ng election. Sa Pilipinas, tayong mga taong bayan ang nag-e-elect, no? And next is why. No? So yung why naman, ano ba yung reason behind that political decision? Okay? For example, 'di ba sa how laws are passed, no? So what is the reason kung bakit naging isang batas 'yon? Okay? So, ah, dahil ba masyadong magulo kaya naisabatas 'yon? Okay? Now, how leaders are elected. Now, why do people vote for that particular candidate? No, baka syempre nakitaan ng transparency, responsible yung political leader na yon kung kaya't binoto siya ng mga tao. So, how and why, 'no? Naka-focus ang political science sa how and why of collective decision making. Okay, so, ah, diyaan nagtatapos ang ating video lecture for, this lesson, 'no? Studying anthropology, political science, and sociology.